Hello, everyone! Managing type 2 diabetes doesn't mean you have to stop eating your favorite South Indian dishes. I'm going to show you how to enjoy tasty meals and stay healthy too. Breakfast is super important, especially if you have diabetes. It sets the tone for the rest of your day, providing the energy and nutrients you need to stay active and healthy. Skipping breakfast can lead to spikes and drops in blood sugar levels, which is particularly risky for diabetics. Start your day with dosa or idli made from healthy whole grains or millets. These traditional South Indian dishes are not only delicious, but also packed with essential nutrients and fiber that help in maintaining stable blood sugar levels. Enjoy it with a light coconut chutney, made even better with green gram or coriander. These chutneys are not just tasty, but also add a nutritional punch, providing healthy fats and proteins that are beneficial for managing diabetes. Upma is another great choice. This savory dish made from semolina or millets can be a wholesome breakfast option. Make it healthier by using less oil and adding lots of colorful veggies like carrots, peas, and beans. The more, the better. These vegetables not only add color and flavor, but also provide essential vitamins and minerals. It's all about enjoying delicious food without feeling bad. A balanced breakfast can help you manage your diabetes effectively while still letting you savor the rich flavors of South Indian cuisine. So, start your day right and make every breakfast a celebration of health and taste. Lunchtime is when you get your energy back. Instead of white rice, choose unpolished red rice or millets like ragi. Have a tasty vegetable stir-fry with just a little oil and a nice sambar with lots of different veggies. A small bowl of yogurt helps with digestion. It's a balanced and healthy meal for anyone managing diabetes. Feeling hungry between meals and not sure what to snack on? No worries. A handful of roasted peanuts is crunchy, delicious, and packed with protein. They are perfect for a quick energy boost and will keep you satisfied until your next meal. Boiled chickpeas are also a fantastic option. They are rich in fiber and protein, which help in keeping you full and energized. Plus, they are easy to prepare and can be seasoned to your taste. Fresh fruits like guava and papaya are wonderful too. They are not only refreshing, but also packed with vitamins and antioxidants. Perfect for a light and healthy snack. If you enjoy drinking coffee, consider skipping the sugar or using stevia instead. This way, you can enjoy your favorite beverage without the extra calories. You can satisfy your cravings and still stay healthy. Simple, healthy, and yummy. Enjoy these nutritious snacks and keep your energy levels up throughout the day. Finish your day with a light and healthy dinner. A well-balanced meal can help you unwind and prepare for a restful night. Ragi mude with vegetable curry is full of nutrients and keeps you satisfied. This traditional dish is not only delicious but also packed with essential vitamins and minerals. Vegetable soup with a small millet dosa is another light and tasty option. The combination of soup and dosa provides a perfect balance of flavors and textures. Don't eat too much, and try to have dinner 2 to 3 hours before you go to bed. This practice aids digestion and ensures you don't go to bed feeling too full. This helps keep your blood sugar steady all night long. Eating early also allows your body to process the food better, promoting a healthier sleep cycle. Managing diabetes is all about making good choices and finding a balance. It's really important to watch how much you eat. Even healthy foods can raise your blood sugar if you have too much. Pay attention to how your body feels. Talk to your doctor or a dietitian to get advice just for you. Remember, it's about making progress, not being perfect. I hope these tips help you enjoy healthy and delicious South Indian food. With a little creativity and by paying attention to what you eat, you can manage diabetes well. Enjoy cooking healthy meals for yourself and your family. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.